Let the Kitsune guide you!
Oh, it's just the whole damn thing, huh? Well, that's kind of nice. It's just a little simpler. So it looks like this first piece is... You got the whole extra, I don't know. So we'll actually just retake over this whole area. Which means this should hopefully be a piece of cake. As long as I have the right stuffs. And that should just slide right off, I hope, I think. The whole point of gloves was to not get messy. Normally do these kind of videos, but you know, if you're gonna spend the time learning how to do it and you're gonna spend the money on the camera and equipment, might as well do them. My problem is, I believe this is lightly stripped. Or go find an actual tool for it, a better one, because that, see, it just seems rounded off, which is not good. Oh, I think we got it. I tried this the other day just once, because when I felt it slip, I was like, nope, not doing that again. If we can make this like a 60-second video, then what the hell? That should just pull right off, should it not? Yeah. It's just grippy. Guess I have to fully unthread it. Let's move that over here. There we go. Look at that. And this could be simple as hell. Yeah, helps if I undo this one too, huh? Too small. Run away with freight trains. Perfect. Oh shit, one's a bolt, one's this. The Allen wrench. I kinda like the bolt better. Oh, they... Wait. Do they give you a choice? No, because that just kind of threads into it. Put this on the right side, or it's not going to work very well. And I hope this is that simple. Seriously, just 2 bolts and we're good? Is that going the wrong way? I think it's going the wrong way. Yep. I want it. Oh. I actually hate it being that low. It's looks like it could be a problem. Great. You see, I actually want it higher. I actually want to probably just swap it around for the other direction, but so shifting up, I actually shift down, but we'll go with this crap instead for now. See, I like it better the other way. You ever gonna be that loose, or do I just have to tighten you that much? You seem kind of loose. Loosen that, make sure the thread's caught properly, and then I think they did fine. Okay. Kind of wondering if I could put a rubber washer in there, help it out a bit. So we'll test this. Oh. Well, you're a dumbass, aren't you? Because I could just do this, and this, we should be able to raise it a little bit. Right? Maybe? Guess we'll find out. Maybe not. Yeah, this is why I don't wear gloves when doing this. Can't control anything. No, I don't think that's gonna matter. I don't think that can actually, yeah, I can, it's kind of, no, there we go, see? Can do that. Let's go right there-ish. I can lower it if I need to, because since I'm at the max point. Ooh, I don't think I like that. See, there's always a way around something. Sorry, I've had my bike for like 7 weeks, so I know very little about what I'm doing here. It's kind of just a diagnostician thing. Figure out what's going wrong, look at how to fix it. It's just a puzzle. So I could be completely fucking up. I go to ride my bike and just can no longer shift gears. Make sure that's tight. Not too tight. Where's the other one? I kind of want to. Guess it's just kind of loose. Okay, let's test to make sure that this does what it's supposed to do. So let's pull back a little bit. If I can find my keys. Okay, so it works. Just never tried to go into second from standstill. I guess you can't do that. It says no. But it is a little too hot. So we're going to fix that a bit. Oh, this was an easier way to test this. Test this with my boots on, but I believe we're good right there. As we hold the bar steady. Maybe. God. I think these went backwards from what the last one was. Nope. Hey, no flying around. I think we're good. We have shit trying to cover cameras too. I guess they actually give an extra nut, which is great because this one is actually missing one, which is obnoxious. But also I bent the bar. I don't know if you can see it. The bar bent a little bit during my stupid fixation crash. At least I think that's what did it. Maybe it didn't. Maybe something else did. But I wouldn't doubt that's what did it. Go here. And that's it. We're all done. So, kind of nice. $40 just to pull those two things off, and good. I thought I was going to have to do more work. Fantastic.